Hi, Rusty Dog here. Welcome to Flux. Yeah, Flux, the new AI model, which is proving to be very good. I'm using the Flux NF4 version 2, which is good for lower memory. And I'm using it within ComfyUI, as you can see. Now, the purpose of this video is to hopefully help people out with a problem that I had and managed to find a fix for. Now, I've heard there's a couple of fixes for this, but I'm going to guide you through the one that fixed it for me. And if that works for you, great. If not, you can try the other method, just in case. So, the problem that a few people have had is not being able to get the checkpoint loader to come up. So there can be a scenario where you do a git clone of the bits and bytes NF4 custom node, and you install it into the custom nodes folder. And when you click here and type in NF4, this doesn't appear. And if you have a workflow that's got this in it, it'll come up with a big red box and say undefined. So how do you get it to work? Well, the way I would do it, or the way I did it, I ended up doing a few clean installs of Comfy as well, which, to be fair, saved me a few gigabytes. So what you want to do is come out of Comfy altogether, and then here you've got your folder structure, and in the custom nodes, you should have at least your manager already in there, I would imagine. If you've got your bits and bytes NF4 there and it's not working for you, then just remove it for now. You can get rid of it. And using this method, if you want to, I don't know whether using the method I'm going to show you works by you going then into the command prompt and then typing in git clone. That's not how I did it. So I would suggest following the way I did it. So what you want to do is in the custom nodes, before even you think about installing this NF4 thing, go into ComfyUI Manager, and in there you have config.ini. Go into there, and I've changed it. I've even added this line at the bottom. You've got security level normal. I've added this bottom line. You need to change that to normal minus. Okay, change it to normal minus, file save. Okay, save the file, and I don't need to do that right now. Save the file and then relaunch Comfy. Once you've done that, you can go into Manager, just on the train here. I've been doing a few steampunk this and steampunk. It doesn't seem to be very good at doing. Anyway, yeah, so click on the manager now, and because you've now got the security level set to normal minus, Comfy won't be so strict when it comes to what gets installed. So now you can go to install via git URL, and you can paste in the git link for NF4. I'll put it in the video description, this particular thing, but there it is. Now, what you can do, you can try. I don't think it'll make much of a difference. I don't know. I wouldn't go into the folder and do git clone. Do it from here. Click OK, and now you should have ComfyUI Manager installing this item, and it should say installed. If it goes to install it and then install succeeded, you're set. Now you can come out, you click close, you restart Comfy again, and the next time you double click here, just type in NF, and it should be there. Probably advisable then, after you've done that, to go back into the ComfyUI Manager folder in the custom nodes, go back into config, and change the normal minus back to normal again. Okay, and that's how you sort it. I spent way too long on this. Other people have suggested changing the channel from default to dev and then installing it via the URL. I haven't tried it that way, so if my way didn't work for you, you can try that way. I'm just going to put this back on default. Yeah, so there you go. I hope that works. Make sure you have, if you've got low memory, I mean, I've got low VRAM. I've got 12 gigabytes on my 3080 Ti. That counts as low these days. So I'm using the V2 Flux instead of the normal NF4 one. I've got the V2. Yeah, and it's working for me fine, as you can see here. Really, really good. I'll generate a new one. Yeah, so that's basically it. Flux is absolutely brilliant. It does text really well. It seems to do anatomy a lot better, and the quality of images are really, really good as well, even compared to you know, the standard SDXL or even SD3, I would say. Yeah. Alright guys, so I hope that has helped, and if it has, drop me a message or a like or something and just let me know if it's worked. I hope it has. That's the same freaking train, almost. Anyway, how do we get more variation? Anyway, so yeah, that's it. Hope it helped. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.